Hello everyone, today I'm gonna do a unboxing of a set of headphones that I bought in Aliexpress, and I'm quite surprised because the package is so premium. So let's go and we can see what is inside the box. First of all, it's Padear. That is the name of the store that I bought the headphones in Aliexpress. And oh, okay, here are the headphones. They seem so premium. I really like the cable. The texture, it's so cool. And this is aluminum, so the finish is so premium. We also have more pillows, extra pillows for the size of our ears. If you have big ears, maybe you need small ones or big ones. So, and also, wow, it's a leather bag to save our headphones. So I am gonna try to use them this week, and I am gonna do a little review of the test of the sound and the quality of the sound, of the materials and everything. That's all. Thank you.